Hi everyone, my name is Subham and by profession I am a data analyst. In this video, we will see how to create Power BI dashboard from beginning to end. So keep watching this video till the end and I will take the data which we have already taken in the last video and I have given the data set in the description so you can download it from here. So first we will go to the Power BI desktop which will be started from here and let's jump to it. And I have already created a dashboard, but first I will show you the kind of dashboard which we will be creating in this video. Then we will add one more page from here. Then we'll go to how to create dashboard. So this is the dashboard which we have already created, the global education cost, and this is the data which we have already created the Python end-to-end data analysis project by using pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and etc. libraries from the Python. So if you haven't watched this video, go to my uh, video section and you will be able to see my last video, the previous video in which I have covered data analysis end-to-end project. So this is our dashboard which we will be creating. So we will go to here. First, let me show you how you can import data in Power BI. So we will click over this get data, and as per the type of your data, you will enter. So we have text, CSV, XML, JSON, folder, PDF. Even you can take data from SQL Server. It depends. So we have data from the CSV. So we will click it right here. We will come to our data where we have downloaded it. So we will go to desktop and we will go to Power BI project. We will go to global and we will download our data from here. So once we will click over it, so let me show you. It will take just 2 to 3 minutes. Two to 3 minutes. It will take just 5 to 10 seconds, and the data will be uploaded. And it depends that what you wanna do. Either you can load it or transform the data. If before loading the data, you must look at your data. What kind of data do you have, or what kind of changes do you want to bring in your data set or in your data so that you can work so well. So what will we be doing? So as we have already seen in the last or in the previous video that what kind of data do we have, and we will be looking at this here. So after clicking over the transform data, we have these cells right here that transform. So what happens, we can transform each column right here. Either we can transpose, we can change the data type, we can replace the value from USA to US, UK to United Kingdom, Canada to Canada, and something like that. Whatever the thing you have in your mind, you can do it. Even you can fill the null values by clicking it right here. So in the transform cell, what you are gonna do, you are gonna bring the changes or the direct changes in the column. And if you want to add a data or the column in your data set, so you will click over the add column. Then you have multiple columns from example, then you will be given example, then custom column, and you will be writing your own identification that what kind of column do you want to enter right here. And then invoke customer function, it is a kind of function that you have to write some kind of code to get it. Then conditional, that if else, that if there is a value more than 500 rupees, if the visa fees is more than 200 rupees, then enter yes or the expensive, or if the visa fees is less than 200, then it's cheap. So it depends that what kind of things or what kind of column you want. Even you can make the duplicate, and after making it duplicate, you can come again to the transform and then transform it, or you can change its data type. You can make it from date, like we don't have a particular column right now. If you have like date, month, and date, month, year, then you can just extract a date by going from these two, any one of them. So that's how we transform the data. So now I don't want this data because I have already imported my data and I have already done with that. So I won't do with it. So I will go to my this. I want, so I will go right here. I will no now. So we will be trying to create the same dashboard. So we will click new page. We will be creating right. So we'll go to the data one. Here you can access. We have multiple build. We can format. We have bookmark. We have selection and multiple more. Here you can see that after clicking this table view, you can look at your data. What kind of data do you have? And even you can go to the modeling, that when you have a multiple tables, or you can say multiple data set in your Power BI, then there will be a relation as we do in the SQL by using the join functions. So we can connect our data from one data set to another, so that we can bring some data from this column and some column from the another table, some column from this table. So it depends, then we can write down our query right here. So maybe you have a bit idea about how Power BI works. That's why you are on this video, at how to create Power BI dashboard for the data analysis. So we will be looking at it end to end. So what we'll be doing, we will extract our data. We will click at right here. Now we have all the rows, or not rows, all the columns within our data set. We have city, we have count, we have country, we have duration year. That, let me tell you that whatever, if you see this kind of mark in front of any column, then it means that we have created a measure. If you see this kind of mark in front of any column, then it means that it is a numerical column. And on the other hand, the string columns will be a kind of simple. There will be no addition in front of those columns. So what will we be doing? We will be extracting, or we will be trying to create the same. So we will go to insert. First, we bring the some kind of shape, and we will make it bit like this, which we have done in that video, or in that dashboard, which you can see clearly right here. So that we have created this panel right here where we have given these kind of data set. So what we'll be doing, we will come again to the data set. We will click over it, and we will go to the format one, and then the format part will be open. Either we can open it from here. By coming here, we will click on the format, or we can go or click the right click, and you will have the option format one. So even we can decide its shape, height, width, horizontal, vertical, then paddling, background color, then visual border, then shadow. It is not needed. So what we'll be doing, we will be changing its color. So we will come here, that we will change it, like we have. Now we are filling the value by blue, and in our data set, or in our previous, or the already have created dashboard, we have the black color. So we will make it black. Now we are done. We will increase its size by this much, and we will go to the text box, and we will be writing that our GLOBL, global, EDUCATION pricing. So we will make this at less, increase, we will select this all, increase its size by let's take it 16. We will increase its size so that we can easily see this. Now we will drag it, wait for a while, we will drag it right here, Even we can make it bit or increase the size from here. We will again select this all. We will make it in the middle. Again, we will go to its format part, and we will go to, and we will click on the background is now it's on. We will go and make it off so that things will be easy. We will come again here. We will change the color, and what we'll be doing will be changing the color from here. We will make it a bit silver, or depends that what kind of color do you want of your title. And then we have a multiple, we had multiple like drop down, so we will be creating from here. We will come here. We will choose drop downs from here. First we will create like a slicer. We will click over it, and then we have to add the data. So we have added, the first one is the program, so we will add it here. It's done. I will modify it later, so let me fix this one first. I will take it, put it right here, as we have done in the previous uh, in that. So what we'll be doing, we will be correcting everything from here. So we have background, we will be clicking over it, but if we click right here, then the titles will not be will not be seen. So we will make it on right now. After changing it, we will go to that title. Even we can make it on off, depends that do you want it or not. Let's make it default. And we have the slicer, then we can add the like title. That's how it will be shown. We will go to drop down, then we will make it the drop down, then we will click over the all function or the all button, then the all the values will be shown. So we will make it the vertical list, and then we have slicer header. Even we can make it off, make it on, so that if we are clicking on off, so that you can clearly see that program is here. So if we click it off, and we will go to the title one, and we will come here and make it on, and we will write program. What happens with that, that even we can increase its size, decrease its size, we can change its color. So let's make it gray also. So what we'll be doing, we will again changing its color. So we will come here. We will see that how we can change the color of these. So first let me make it them off. Title, slicer. Then we will come to the values, and here our text values are black. So we will make it again the gray. So now if we go up, and we will off that, so we can clearly see that now we can clearly see the values right here. That's how we do. And in that dashboard you can see that we have the search menu. So what we'll be doing, we will click over these three dots, and we have that search one, so we will click over it, then the search part will be added. Now we have created one more or multiples, like kind of vertical list, or even you can call it, not call it the drop down. But now let's go again. We will, like, apart from choosing it again and again, what we'll be doing, we will click over it, we will copy, and then come here, and we will make it paste. So what will happen now after doing this, we just need to change the data. We will click over it. First let me make it off. So what we'll be doing, we will be changing its data. We will click right here, and you can see that the field is given program. Now we will change it to the city. So we will go to the city where it is. So it is at the top, so we will click on the city. Now everything will be changed as per the city. We just need to change the title. So we will go to the title one. We'll change from program to city. Now we will come back. We will put it right here. Now we have created one more title or the drop down. We will point out to the search bar. Now we want to create one more which where we have given the university name. So we will come back. We will we will copy it, paste it, come back, go to this. We will be changing from program to university. It is here, and after changing it, everything is done. So you don't need to come again here, choose the data, then do these filters again. That's why I'm saying. So we will click over it. Until or unless you click over it, you will not be seen this format. So what we'll be doing, we will come again to the title. We will change from program to university, UNI, the university. Then now everything is changed. And again we want to add the search bar right here. We are done. You can clearly see that how it is easy to bring things right here. Now we will go and we have created. Now let's go back to the previous dashboard. Now we have created this one, that duration, year and degree. So we will come again. We will be creating these. So either you can copy or paste it right here. You just need to change the things. So I will be doing both. First I will copy this, copy it, and then paste it again. We will come back, and what we'll be doing, we will be going to the program. We will be going from program to something. What it is, the duration year. DURATIN, duration, YEAR, duration year. So what we'll be doing, we will be changing our program to university, and we are done. Not sorry, not a university, is duration year. So we'll be selecting it from here. So now it is showing us the same, but we don't want it. So we will go to the slicer setting, and we will go to the option part, and we want either title, tile. We want a drop down, and so we want tile. So what we'll be doing, we will expand it, make it like this, as on in the that one. So I will be creating the same. Now I'm just changing it color. So I don't want its color to be this one. I want it black. I want its title to be black again. Where it is, I want its color to be black so that we can easily see it. Now we have created this one. The another one we have, that the degree one. So what we'll be doing, we will again, this time we have created by the copy paste. So we will go to the, this time we will go with the our own one. So we will click over it. We will add the data. We will go to the, what do we have right here? It's degree. So where it is, maybe we have it in the level. So that if we want to confirm that what kind of data do we want to print at right here, so we can see that we have in level. So we will go back to the dash report view. We will add the data from here, and it is in level. So we will click over it. Now it is showing as same as these. So what will you do? Comment in, comment at what we'll be doing. So we will go to the slicer and we will make it time. We will be decreasing it, putting at the end. We will go to the, that now that level is so less. Even we can increase the size, but we don't want it. So we will be using title. We will turn it on from here. We will go to, and we will DEGR degree, and we are done. You can make the size, but that's um, your responsibility to make it the better, so you can increase the size and you don't need to leave the relevant space anywhere, so that you can clearly see that now the duration is at right here and the degree is at the here, so that it is a little bit difficult or not looking nice to see. So what will we will go to the title and we will be clicking right here from the center. So now this value will come to the center. I want to show you a one crazy thing right here. So that let's modify this one entirely. We will make some kind of color inside it. Let's make the things easy. Let me make them off so that we will go to the this. We will even make the border depends. We will go to the background. We can choose the color from here, like let's take the blue, so that things will be right here. So what we'll be doing, if we click over it, now that format paint, if we click over it and again come to this, put it right here, now see, it's magic. We have bring changes from this to this by just clicking from here to here. I know that's it can be done, but you are not supposed to do it, because let's make it colorless. So let me make it so it is white. So we will go, we will choose the color again from here and we will put it right here. Done. So what we'll be doing first, we have to match the its size so that things can go well. We have created multiple cards. So what we have done, we will go to our dashboard again. We will see that we have total cost, we have average tuition fees, we have average living cost. So we will go to the page, we will be creating these cards. So as you can see that we have bars right here, the bar graphs, then we have line, then we have area chart, when then we have a stacked area chart, we have this waterfall, then we have funnel chart, pie chart, a donut chart, and tree map. So as like this we have these given card, new card, multi-row card, then we have KPI. Tell me in the section that what KPI stands for. So we will click over this card. We will come again. We will be choosing what, average living cost index. We will click over it. Now it is sum. So how to fix it? So we will be clicking over it again. Now we can see that it is here. So we will go again. We will make it, we have multiple options. Even we can make it average, maximum, minimum, count, distinct, count, standard deviation, variance, median. So I will show you two, three that how the value changes. So if I click on the average, then the average living cost index will be shown. We will come back. We will click on the minimum, it's 28. We will come back, we will come here, we will click on the maximum. Now it is 122 dollar average cost, not average, the maximum value. So it is 64 something. We will come here, we will make it a card right here. So we will come back, we will put it right here. We will be creating one more. So what we'll be doing, we will copy this, we'll paste. What the hell it is happening? Let me copy this first. I have copied. I have, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Copy, paste. Sorry. Let's create another one. I don't want to do it again and again. So we will go to this card again. We will add the value. What do we have? We have tuition, average tuition fees. So where it is, where it is, where it is, where it is, living cost, total cost, tuition category, tuition USD. So we will click over it. We will come back again. We will go to the average. This one. We will be doing right here. Make it short. Come back. I will put it right here. Again, what we'll be doing? We will come back. We will make one more. But before doing that, we must have the total cost, that how much, what's the total cost. So we don't have any column where it is. So we have to create a measure. So what we'll be doing, we will come here, we will click over right here, not right here. We have an option called create measure. So what we'll be doing, we will come to the new measure, we will click over it. It will take just a few seconds. It has created and you don't know what it is. Where it is, yeah? Where it is? 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 Wait for a while. So I will be coming here, clicking over it, new measure. There are pending changes in your query that haven't been applied. So I'm discarding changes. So yeah, what I'm doing here? Wait for a while. Let me come back. Apply changes. So we have created a measure. So we will change that. We will come to the total cost. We have given the name. In Excel, what we do, we generally just write down this, but here we define a variable, or you can say we define a name like a column, but it is not a column. So what we will be doing, we will be using sum function, sum, click over it, and then we will be going for the, it is completely showing like city, count, country, duration, year, exchange rate, insurance level, index, program, rent, USD, total cost. So this is the it is, I have already created a measure, but I just want to show you that how to create. So that it is tuition category, tuition USD. So we will be clicking over this tuition USD. If we close this, then I enter it, it's done. Now you can see the total cost. So it's amazing. So what we'll be doing, if we go to this table view, then we won't be able to see this one, the total cost. So that total cost will not be seen until or unless you do it on some graph. You can't see that measure on any in the table. You just need to, if you want to see it, then you have, either you can go for the any kind of graph or card KPIs, depends on you. So we will go to the KPI. No, we will go to the card, we will add the data from here. We will go to this, the total cost. So it's 16 million. So again, we will be fixing its size because that's the requirement. Let's make it a bit more. Leave it. Now you have created this, even you can like make it size well, or it depends that where you want to place them. Now we have created this. We will come back. It is the total cost, average tuition USD. And if you want this total cost to be shown at the top, so what we'll be doing, we will come here. We will come here, we will click on the format. We will come back. We will, either we can make it off, the background on, depends on your requirement. So I'm off. So if I click over the title and I come here, I write down the total cost, make it in the middle, and change the color as per your requirement, change the size as the way you want it to be seen. So I'm just using it. I will come to the call out values. Now it is in black. Depends or the value you want to see in the color, which color you want to see your value. So we have turned it to blue. Now we will make it again black. So we will be doing this. We will come to the category label. If we make it off, then the below total cost will not be seen. So that's how what we can do. And if we come back to this one, click over it. Yeah, now you just need to give the value what it is. Average tuition USD, maybe. Yeah, it's average tuition fees. So we'll be coming here, we will be clicking over it. Where is the title? So we will come here, average, tuition tuition fee. That's how you can do. Now we have created multiple charts, these donut one, these two donuts, and then we have created this. That sorry, I got a call, so that sorry for the distortion. So now we will be creating these two donut charts. So what we'll be doing, we will go to this. We will be, even we can click it right from here. So we will go to the donut. We will add the values. So values we want it right here is from the what do we have right here? We have count. Yeah, we will go to the count. We will be using legend right here. That's degree. So we will come to the column where it is 11. So if we give this right here, so now you can easily see we have given the values to the, yes, you can make it back. Now maybe you have multiple questions that here we have only like on the colors that matching the everything, and then we have this in percentage and we have this. So I will be showing you everything. So what we'll be doing, we will click over this. Now the format part is open, so we will come here. So if we want to do it or we want to bring some background color, depends. Everything depends on your client. You generally don't create dashboards as per your requirement. You create dashboards for others, what they want in the dashboard. So I'm just fixing their part, uh, that I just want to have the more space. So that's why I'm doing it. So what we'll be doing, we will click over this. We will come back. We will be making it off, and even we can define the title that has already given right here. So title you can already give by your own, and then you can give the where you want to see this one, this part, the masters. So let me show you. If I click on the top left, then it will be shown at right here. If we come back top right, then it will show at the top right. So that top right is stacked. That how it was. So depends that what you want right here. You can change the text, you can change the title, and now let's come back. We will go to the slice part. We can change the color from here. What kind of color do you want? Now I want it to be yellow. I want bachelor's to be blue. I want PhD to be green. So we don't have colors right. We don't have green color right here. So we will click over the more colors. We will come here. We will go to this, and we are done. So that's how you can give the value to this, and even you can increase the space between these charts. So let me show you that if I do this, now it's a pie chart. If I increase, then it's a donut chart. So you can do it as per. as per your want. So I'm just offing this part, detail label, so I can do it. I want it inside, these values inside. I want it prefer outside. I want it to be prefer inside. So I want it to be outside. So what we'll be doing now, we have that values and then percentage. So I don't want it. I want category and the percentage total. That's how we have done in this. Now we have the percentage, we have the degree name or the percentage, that how much the contribution out of 100. So we will be creating one more. So what we'll be doing, we will be going making it little bit more set above. We will copy this. We will come here. We will be giving data from here. So what do we have right here? We will be giving a level, that is the tuition category. So we will be giving it right from here. Now we are done. Right, I have already created this lot bigger. Let me fix its size. Was So I have created like this. The same thing, I have the value, then I have this, so that I don't need to go again to the format part and need to change it again and again. So that's how we are doing. So now it's our turn to create the bar charts for the average tuition fees by the country. So we will go to the bar chart. We can take this one, not the proper. We will take the proper one. You can remove it like this. If you, we will come here. We will be using y-axis. What do we want right here? So I want y-axis to be my country. I want x-axis to be my average tuition fees. So that's the tuition USD. So I will be clicking over it, and I don't want legend and all. So what we'll be doing first, we will be fixing everything. So if I click over it, first let me increase its size. Uh, it's done. So what we'll be doing, we will come to this. We will be clicking over it, and we want not at sum, it to be average, and there is something wrong, that we have given the sum of countries. That's wrong. Wait for a while. Let me click over it again. Come to my data part. Average, country, y-axis. I'm unable, not unable. Like I just need some time to fix this out. That how the values are being distributed right here, because it is 100% right there. So sorry, I have taken the wrong chart. So what we'll be doing, we will click over it again. We will go to the chart. I have taken the wrong, that 100% stacked bar chart. So we will come back to this, or we will come back to this stacked bar chart. That's how we have created. So I have taken the wrong chart. That nothing is wrong in that. Uh, that's my mistake. What do you want right here? That even we can go to the each thing. We will go to the make it black, brown, depends what you want. So what we'll be doing right now, we will be changing everything. Maybe you have a question that how to change the background color, that we have black at right here. Now I want it to be something other color. So what we'll be doing, we will be, so we have clicked over here. We got this. Like if I click over it, then you will get these kind of values. If you click where the value is not percent, you will see this information, the page information, the background color. So we have page information, we have canva setting, we have canva background. Now it is white. If you want it to be, let's make it gray, and decrease the transparency, because it is always 100%. If you decrease it, let's decrease it, let's decrease it. Now we I haven't let, let me delete all these which we were trying to create by copying a copy with paste, and we were unable to see that right there. Now we can see them. Let me remove all. We are done with this. We are done with this. I'm changing that size. Let's make it a little bit this. Let's make it this. Let's increase bit size. We will come to this. Sorry guys. We will increase its size, and we'll again fix this so that things look better. Even you can fix the size from here. Now we are done. You can easily see, even you can increase its size, or you can fix it by as per your requirement, or you can make them background also, their background also like transparent. So we will go to this, we will come here, we will make it off. Now you can see easily we don't have any background color. Or what we'll be doing, we will come here, we will click over it, do this. So we have to do this, we have to go to the title part, and we have to give the name average and living cost. Now you can see everything is done. We will go back again, make it transparent, go make it transparent, go make it transparent. We will go to this, and we will go to the values. We will go to the background, it's white now, and you want it to be like gray. Go to this, everything is transparent. We will come here, we will click over it, do this. Now done. Now you can see that it was a black color, and there were kind of little bit signs and lot more other things. Now everything is not seen, right? You can do also the same. Now I will show you how things changes. So I want to do the my program in data analytics. So if I use data, then it has already seen me the all the values that starts or ends with the data. So I will click over it, the data part. I have done it. Now the total cost this, average tuition fees this, average living cost this, USA. And I want to study in offline. If I click over it, now we have filtered our dashboard on the behalf of. I want to go with the data analytics. I want to pursue in a city called Auckland. So I can change it. I want to see the changes as per the master. So if I click over it, then everything is changed. If I point it out, if you want to remove this, so click over it again, or either you can click it over again, or you can come here. Now I would just want to see the changes as per the USA. If I click over the USA, now you can see the masters, bachelors. This the percentage of the USA in bachelors is 3%, masters 3.53%, a PhD 1.98%, and they are providing these programs. They are providing this city. They are providing this university. That's how we can do with this. It is so easy. We will come back. We will click to the USA. Everything is changing. Everything is great. This is the interactive dashboard that companies want us to create when we get into the organizations. We will go back. We will come down. We can choose the countries by our own requirement. Let's see the India one. The average living cost index, it is on USD. So 43.38 US dollar. Average living cost in India. Tuition fees is 1.9k. we only provide like this. We have these courses, we have these cities, right? We can choose the cities from here, we can choose the universities from here, and a lot more other. So that's how we are changing. That if I click over it, then these will not be changed. Reason is quite simple. Reason is quite simple because these are the filters, not the changing values. So if I come back and now a week, I can already see that there are only for few things or the few data. So I have written the data, so I will remove it. Now we will be able to see the multiple things right here. So that's how we create. Let's go with the 1 year duration, 1.5 year duration. If I click over, then you can easily see that I have filtered the data on the behalf of 1.5, means the 1.5 year graduation, any graduation, the fine in Singapore, this, and so many other things. That's how things are changing. This is our complete interactive dashboard. This is which we wanted to create, and we are done with it, and this is what we have created. And let me show you one more thing that which we have skipped, or I haven't uh, like told you in this video, so that we came up with this. So we will go to this again, to the page 2. We will go to the insert part, we will come to the image, and then you have to browse the image, whatever the image you have. So that I have multiple, that which I can't show you in the video, so that's why I'm not going to put it right here. So that's how we create. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button. And if you haven't liked this video, like this and share with your friend that's who is pursuing the data analytics field or the business analytics field, so that they can easily create interactive dashboards, how I have shown you right here. So now let's go, and thank you guys. And if you create any kind of video, so I want you to make and tag me on the Instagram, not Instagram, on LinkedIn.